In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view all invoices in QuickBooks. We'll keep this fast and clear, using the most direct path available right from the main screen. Assuming you're already inside QuickBooks and looking at the dashboard, the key is the global search at the top of the page. This search field is usually on the upper bar and is often paired with a small magnifying glass icon. It's designed to help you jump straight to what you need without digging through menus, and it works perfectly for pulling up your invoices. Move your cursor to that search bar at the top, click into it, and type the word invoice. As you type, QuickBooks will begin showing suggestions and related sections. You'll likely see individual transactions appear, but what you're looking for is the option labeled Invoices. That label represents the full Invoices area, not just a single transaction. Selecting it takes you directly to the page where all your invoices are organized in one place. Once you click Invoices, you'll land on a screen that lists your invoices in a clean, tabular view. Here, you can see details like customer names, invoice numbers, dates, due dates, totals, and statuses such as paid, overdue, or open. This is your central hub for reviewing what's been sent, what's been paid, and what still needs attention. If your company works with a large volume of billing, this view helps you scan through everything at a glance and quickly understand where your receivables stand. If you manage more than one company in QuickBooks, just make sure the company name shown in the header is the one you intend to review. If you don't see any results after you arrive on the Invoices page, it may mean your file doesn't have invoices yet or your user role doesn't include access to sales transactions. In that case, an admin in your organization can confirm your permissions. Also, if your interface language differs from English, the search may reflect localized terms, but the idea is the same. Use the top search to find the Invoices section. To recap, the process is simple. Inside QuickBooks, go to the top search bar, type Invoice, then choose the Invoices option from the suggestions. That's it. You're now looking at your complete list of invoices, ready to review and reference anytime you need. Thanks for watching, and I hope this quick walkthrough helps you get where you need to go faster.